Good morning. So first we're going to revisit the language that we would use when describing height and length, okay? So I'm going to say the word first and then you can repeat after me. So we have the word short, tall, longest, shortest, longer, equal, tallest, measure, distance, and shorter. Well done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to be learning to measure using a ruler. Now, if you don't have a ruler at home, that is okay. I will also put a printable one in the document so you can print it off and use that as a ruler. Okay, so here we have our ruler. And there is a k and a m here, and that means centimetres. Can you all say that? Excellent. So that is going to be one of our magic words today, centimetres. Okay, so we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each of these is a centimetre. So it's 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres, and so on. So we have 3 shapes here, and I'm going to show you how to measure the shapes. So I take my ruler and I can't put it there because that starts at the number 1. And right here is where I need to place my ruler because that means we're going to start from 0. So now I have put it against my shape. How many centimetres is my rectangle? Let's have a look. So I've started from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. You have got 7 centimetres. Well done. So now we're going to move on to the square. Okay. Here, my square. Remember, where do I need to start from? Excellent. I need to start from 0. So there we go. And I've got 1, 2, 3. So my square is 3 centimetres long. Now here I have another rectangle, but it is pointing the other way. So I'm going to measure the height. So I'm going to turn my ruler around like that. And then I'm going to start from 0 again, right from the bottom. So I'm going to line it up. There you go. And I have, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimetres. So who can tell me which one was the longest? Excellent. It was the yellow rectangle because the yellow rectangle was 7 centimetres. Now you're going to have a go at measuring using a ruler yourself, okay?